flat. You like my shirt? It says Mount Vernon, because that's where I actually live. Hometown.
How in the fuck are you about to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. Nothing you do could be editing my day. Cash is fuck on my bed, I lay. Look at the ceiling, it fade away. Stressing and checking on me for a blessing, but I can hear nothing, I'm gone for the day. Sure you can afford that, I get it. Looking like a bum, only think I'm holding pennies. Pull out your mortgage and spend it in a minute. Take it how you wanna, get mad when you get it. Blame everyone around you for the money you ain't getting. Boy, man, up to the life you ain't living. Times I get chillin' sometimes, I'm forgiving my mind's on the rhythm, so don't fuck up when I see you. Loose knit, cotton chains banging off my body, sounding like a dog walking, razor barking. If you buy me, let the scotch light blind him, let the switch restyle him. I ain't never going back to what I did back in how. Old bones, new flows, still flicking ash up on my clothes. 1-800 dead boy if they need to hit my phone. A stage sale, opals on the finger, make me hopeful. We ain't never going back to nickel diamond for some produce.
Me and my niggas pulling up, sitting low. I told ya, now it's time to show ya. Pull up smoking heavy, she hit my blunt, now she say hold her. I say no sir, stand back, I'm finna pick her up and throw her. Hollow squad, the coffin fleet will never see a closure. Boy, I get so high, I end up lower. When she hit my line, she be like, "Boof, will you come over here?" I said maybe if you call it Uber or a chauffeur. I'm feeling rather excellent. I do whatever the fuck I want. I get no fuck about nothing now. I'm sorry. I woke up to decisions now. Don't know which car I'm driving now. It's cliche, but it's true now. I'm sorry. I raise up on anyone. These rappers don't amount to none. He look like he's struggling. I'm sorry. I pulled up with my friends and them just to come and get rid of them. I'm sick and tired of looking at them. I pull off, I'm ready to start shit. Hey, I crank my engine up, now they thought that I was Godspeed. I pull off, they think I'm Godfrey. Hey, okay, I'm on my way, I'm in my coffin like it's hell scene. I'm Alexander from the movie, but I don't preach, bitch. I skew his ass up and keep it moving. Boy, I create my own conclusions in amusement and leave confusion with you losers, you bitch.
Motherfuck today, bitch, I'm waiting on tomorrow. Being a team weapon where you gotta get off. Lost in the woods, keep a weapon in the car. Hold it left near the railroad, the forest is more. Addiction off the Richter, feeling like I'm dating far. Motherfuck today, bitch, I'm waiting on tomorrow. Setting off a long firestorm where I wanna tell me tone it down, I'll never hear it, bitch. I'm in the moment, reaper forever sits and right by me. Waiting until it's perfect timing. I'm in bold 360 surveillance savage. She'll never get to me. He know what the consequences when you step it to me. What's the deal? How you feel? What's the deal? How you feel? What? Goddamn hot, damn hotter than a frying pan. Put me on the stove, don't touch me. I'm about to fly and go to Russia. Leave yet to the rubles I'm touching. Bust it, ever using nothing. Gun until the day we ain't hungry. Fuck it, can't recite a verse of Marvin Gaye that I don't trust it. Bugging, used to white truck it. Rust in my cuts, can't stomach. Someone cue the violins bleeding from my eyelid. Nosferatu in a dungeon. Boy, Super 8 film burn, dissipate my features. Can't make out who is that's creeping. Fall with the night, turn you the extras that I like. Show you the past, I project out my hands at your eyes. Feel it in your spine, these memories are alive. As for you, I am pleased to say it's your time.